Hi everyone, it's Sandy here and thank you for joining me here on my channel. I've got a couple of projects that I created this morning and I thought I'd just come on here and show you what I've made, and hopefully this might give you some inspiration as well to also create some of these little crafting projects. So this morning what I wanted to do was just create something that I had that was just lying on my desk. I've got so much stuff here on my desk, like I've got scrap paper, I've got sequins lying everywhere. My desk is a bit of a mess, but it's organized mess. I know where everything is. And I've got die cuts everywhere, and so I thought, well, I'm going to make something. So this is one of the first things that I came up with. I made a tag. I had this tag sitting on my desk for a few weeks and it was just staring at me constantly, so I thought, okay, I'll make a tag. And I had all of these little bits and pieces also lying around, and I just put them all together and I thought, well, I can make a nice gold and white theme tag. And that's what I came up with, and I just added some tulle at the top just to finish it off, and I thought it came up quite nicely. So these are just all scrap pieces of paper that were just lying around. I had this also lying in a little bowl of little sentiment dies that I had, and stuck that on there. These are sequences that were also just lying around on my desk. So that was just one quick little tag that I made. This is a really nice tag. It's got some nice stitch edging to the edge of the tag here. So that's one of my projects. I also made a altered paperclip. Again, these are just all bits and pieces that were just lying around. I made a few of these and just put them in a little bowl. I added one of my paper tassels. This is a paper tassel die that I have. This is a resin flower cabochon that I stuck to the back of a metal connector with some hot glue, with a little sample washi on a little small tag, and I just attached them all here to make a cluster of dangles onto the end of the clip. And yes, so that was a nice cute little project, and you just put that on here, and it's quite nice to present to one of your pen pals or as a gift to somebody. So that's just another one that I made. And then my last one I made here, it's a what do they call it? It's a ticket strip. It's an embellished ticket strip. There's a few crafters on Instagram and on YouTube that have made similar ones to these, so I've just joined in and decided to make one as well. So this one here, I've just held it together with a paper, what do they call them? A bullnose clip. I think that's what they call it, I'm not sure. This is another, again, my tassel, using my tassel die. Added a nice crystal bead to the end, and I just covered the clip with some washi tape there, so you can open that up. And this is my embellishment ticket strip. I just used all of my embellishments again that were lying around. So these are all fussy cutted flowers from some papers, and I just fussy cut them and put them in a little bag, so whenever I need to use it, it's ready for me. So this is the first page, or the first part of the ticket. So that's that one. Then you open that up, and that's the next one here. It's really cute, butterfly. And the next one, again, I just fussy cut this bicycle from one of my 12x12 paper pad. I think it's by Die Cut with a View paper pad. And this is the last panel here. So yeah, so I made this fun ticket strip and embellished it. So that's just another fun project I made this morning, and this is also a really nice little gift to give to somebody. And yes, so I just thought I'd come on here and just quickly show you a couple of my fun projects I made this morning. And I hope you enjoyed my quick little video. And happy crafting, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.